Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We out here in TRS. Me and my boys, Alex, Ruben, Oleg. Gonna be a lit day.
But it started raining, pouring on us, but it's whatever. We still got the cars, but we got the Supra right there. We got the Supra. We got that beast right there. You already know. And you already know. Look at that. Beautiful. Yo, so what y'all boys think of this car right here? I'm about to reveal it to y'all right here. Bam! This thing is nice. What y'all think, bruh? So we know this is a little too much of a car video, but like I never really been to these car shows at all. It's kind of like the first, but I hope you guys enjoyed all the car content we had, all the exhausts that we've recorded, all the takeoffs, launches. But leaving this place, I think we're about to go to Topgolf, so see you guys there. Alright guys, so I guess Topgolf didn't work out because we had a 2-hour wait. But probably gonna go to bowling or laser tag, so hopefully get to do one of those. So we'll see. Dang, we came to Thunder Zone. Kind of trashy, but we're about to play some bowling. We're about to play some laser tag. It's gonna be lit.